Bitstream sets are intended to validate a decoder for present formats compliance: VVC, AVS3, AV1, VP9, HEVC. Bitstreams are immediately ready to use. They are sorted by profile, bit depth, and color format. DVK offers 4 types of bitstreams: syntax, stress, performance, error resilience. Syntax. These low-resolution streams are designed to test a specific subset of features. One stream is testing the smallest possible coding block in the decoder, allowing an independent design of each block. This type of stream is suitable for the initial RTL design. Syntax streams cover maximum decoder code coverage. Syntax streams cover all ranges of syntax elements. Syntax streams contain useful combinations of coding tools and syntax elements. Stress. High-resolution stress streams include all the features covered by the bucket, so they are helpful for smoke testing. If a decoder passes the stress stream, it is likely to pass all the syntax streams from the bucket. Stress streams are suitable for the mature stage of the decoder design. Performance. Performance bitstreams test speed capabilities of the decoder's hardware. They are suitable for final validation to prove compliance with the codec level requirements. Error resilience. Error resilience subset includes not fully compliant bitstreams, which test the decoder's robustness to errors and recovery ability. They are suitable for final validation to deliver a viable end-user product. Besides, DVK includes the same set of fully compliant bitstreams. How to check? It is easy to check if the decoder passes all the tests. MD5 checksum decoding results must be identical to those included in the package. If something goes wrong, the stream sets are organized to help identify quickly which VVC format feature causes the problem.